Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to schedule Instagram and Facebook posts in 2025 using the Meta Business Suite. Step 1. Go to business.facebook.com or open the Meta Business Suite app. Step 2. Make sure that both your Instagram and Facebook pages are linked under one business manager. Step 3. Click Create Posts, then choose whether to post on Facebook, Instagram, or both. Step 4. Upload your content. You can add images, captions, hashtags, and links. Step 5. Click the schedule option. It is usually found next to the publish button, and select your desired date and time. Step 6. Confirm by clicking the schedule post. Step 7. You can manage or reschedule your posts under planner or scheduled posts. Scheduling content saves your time and keeps your online presence consistent. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.